we're always exploring. What is the value of life? By focusing on creating the best user experience, by ensuring the whole life cycle is achieved, Biomedical is constantly evolving with new technology in the support of life science with the creation of the IoT Biomedical Technology ecosystem brand. The HIAR Group is the world-leading provider of solutions to beautiful life. To date, HIAR has established 10 major R&D centers, 25 industrial parks, 122 manufacturing facilities, and 108 marketing centers globally. The HIAR Group owns a number of smart appliance brands, including HIAR, Casate, GEA, Fisher & Paykel, Aqua, Leader, Candy, and IoT service brands such as RRS, HIAR Consumer Finance, Cosmoplat, and Shunguang. 2020, the HIAR Group was the first and only IoT ecosystem brand in Brand Z Global Top 100. Brand value $16.3 billion USD. HIAR always upholds the principle of prioritizing people's value by adhering to the 3-in-1 development ideas of global R&D, global manufacturing, and global marketing. The HIAR Group has initiatively created the Rendan Hurley management model in the IoT era. HIAR's ecosystem brand and HIAR's model are leading the world. Over the past few decades, HIAR Biomedical has continuously been investing in cryogenic storage innovations of biotechnology. HIAR Biomedical is the only manufacturer in the industry that has won the National Prize for Progress in Science and Technology of China, the second class. It has 187 patents, more than 20 international leading technologies, and 14 American Energy Star certifications. It has also led the drafting of 9 national industrial standards and 1 WHO international standard. HIAR Biomedical has a number of product families, including ULT freezers, biomedical freezers, blood bank refrigerators, pharmacy refrigerators, vaccine refrigerators, biosafety cabinets, clean benches, liquid nitrogen containers, to name but a few, and leads the world in biomedical cryogenic storage. Through combining its independently developed 2-stage cascade and auto-cascade refrigeration systems with hydrocarbon frequency conversion refrigeration and other core technologies, HIAR Biomedical has achieved the full temperature range from -196 degrees Celsius to 8 degrees Celsius, and complete product and solution coverage. HIAR Biomedical independently developed Solar Direct Drive Vaccine Refrigerator has subverted the conventional battery electricity storage method. Despite power shortages in Africa and other regions, HIAR Biomedical's vaccine refrigerators can guarantee the safe and secure storage of vaccines for children, even during a power outage for up to 120 hours, which makes it the first brand in China that has passed the WHO PQS certification. Relying on innovative technologies, HIAR Biomedical consistently provides support for aerospace, marine scientific research, and other national major strategic projects. To date, we have also delivered products to more than 120 countries and regions, such as North and South America, Europe, Africa, and Australia. HIAR Biomedical's responsibility and concern benefits everyone along the Belt and Road to achieve the leap from domestic coverage to global expansion. Based on IoT blood refrigerators and other networked appliances, the U-Blood experiential ecosystem has linked blood collection, emergency blood use, surgical blood use, and other scenarios together. We have upgraded the traditional one-way centralized physical blood supply mode to the initiative two-way distributed data sharing mode, ensuring zero waiting for first aid, zero waste of blood, and zero distance of information, and creating both economic value and life value. Based on smart vaccine inoculation refrigerators and other networked appliances, the U-Vaccine experiential ecosystem has linked the vaccination entrance, exit, and other scenarios together, ensuring the last kilometer traceability of the vaccines, preventing problem vaccines from entering and incorrect vaccines from being taken out, matching the person to the vaccines, and making them transparent and visible. Based on IoT, ULT freezers and other networked appliances, the U-Biobank experiential ecosystem has linked sample collection, storage, application and other scenarios together, creating a cloud network system, enabling accurate sample positioning, one-key access, information traceability, On October 25, 2019, Biomedical announced its listing on the Science and Technology Innovation Board of Shanghai Stock Exchange officially, relying on its IoT science and technology ecosystem model. The Biomedical IoT factory was fully put into use at the beginning of 2020. It is the world's largest R&D and manufacturing base for low-temperature cold chain and biosafety industries. It is also the first industrial base that has applied the industrial internet model. Its 5 production lines, utilizing the IoT intelligent production and manufacturing of U-Biobank, U-Vaccine, U-Blood, U-Reagent, and biosafety, as well as CO2 incubator, centrifuge, and other solutions respectively, thus building an IoT factory system featuring on-demand design, on-demand manufacturing, and on-demand distribution, and making the whole manufacturing process highly flexible to meet the customer's personalized customization needs. AGV logistics channels. Customer order process can be queried. Manufacturing information can be traced. Full LBA phoning system. Visual SPC quality management system. Independent research and development of vacuumed and pressure holding area, and using IoT big data in the factory for management of plant material general assembly. As a practitioner of the Internet Factory upgrading of the group's Cosmoplat platform, Biomedical has walked down a road of creating an independent brand. From independent innovation to independent R&D and independent manufacturing of products. As the road is long, we will keep exploring and leading the industry in R&D and innovation to support health systems all across the world. In the face of the outbreak of COVID-19, Biomedical has taken the lead in donating medical equipment to core areas of epidemic prevention, demonstrating its sense of corporate responsibility and leadership as a world-class national enterprise. Cloud connectivity for biomedical products and solutions to create an interstellar ecosystem. We will continue to explore the value of life and evolve new technologies to improve people's lifetime well-being and carry forward the ecosystem together.